Going down, it's your boy Mac, bringing y'all some 600 content today. Got my boy Tommy with me with the 636. This thing is nice, man. This thing is nice. I think this is one of the nicest colorways for the 636s. But we're gonna have a little fun with the 600 class and see what's happening. Oh yeah. That bike actually has a full Graves system, ECU flash from Boss Racing, and I don't know what else, but it's gonna be a tough task for Shuri because this thing does not have an ECU flash, but it does have a quick shifter and a couple lightweight components removed. But we'll see how this goes, man. So with this content, guys, it's just gonna, I actually had a topic that I wanted to discuss, and this will tie right into it, and is a 600cc sport bike enough? And we're about to prove it to you with being the answer as being yes, because even though these are not as fast as leader bikes are just insane. That's all it is. Leader bikes are just insane. 600s are definitely have enough. Oh, Tommy's out here pulling it up. Leader bikes are just insane. 600s can definitely be very, very fast motorcycles, but leader bikes are just unworldly. And then like H2s, forget about it. They're not even in the stratosphere. But yes, 600cc's definitely can be enough. You can definitely have a lot of fun. We're about to show you guys that in a second. And yeah, man, this is gonna be awesome. Finally bringing out some more Shuri content. This is gonna be dope. I know my boy Lo is loving T'Challa. Woo, look at that. Both these cowies are spitting flames out here, man. Ooh, look at that. Go ahead and strut, T'Challa. Woo, that thing is flaming crazy. These 66s are nasty, man. Dang. Oh, he was signaling to go? Not bad. When we get a better lineup, we should see what's going on. That wasn't bad at all. Especially for not being flashed. I don't know if that's the cops in front of us or what. Let's go, Shuri. Let's get over this hill. Hey, not bad, Shuri. Not bad. That bike has a full system, ECU flash. Not bad, Shuri. I am not mad at you. I am not mad at you at all. Good run. Good run. the craziest flames. This is what I'm talking about, guys. 600 class, you can still have so much fun. The speed is still there. The agility is right there. Leader bikes are fun, but you don't have to have that blastering all-out, balls to the wall power all the time. These bikes are more than capable. That 636 is out, boy! One more smackage. Y'all seen the action on the 600s and what 600s can do, man. These are definitely fun bikes to have in the stable. This guy wants to get another 600 pretty soon. Trust me, leader bikes are tons of fun. Don't get me wrong, but it's just blastering, crazy, raw power that you may not need on a consistent basis. And don't think you have to have a leader bike in order to have fun. This is one of the best 600s you could possibly get as of right now. The 636 has the agility you need, the power you need, the looks of it. Some people may like it, some they may not like it, but these 636s are proven. They've been proven for some time too. Definitely some fast 600s. But yeah, guys, hope you like this video. Smash that like button, share it, comment on it, do all of that good stuff. Let me know what you guys think, and I will see you guys in the next episode. And we're gonna get some more parts going for this bike as well too, man. Get this thing track ready. I got these signals for T'Challa, which I absolutely love, but it's time to start tinkering with Shuri. We don't make her jealous. But I'll see you on the next one, people. Peace.